Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gary and welcome to another episode of Gangnam Laser Clinic's vlog. Today I will be sharing with you on how lasers can benefit you. To begin, let me share with you a bit about the skin. Here we have a diagram of the skin. As you can see, the skin is made out of different layers. There's the epidermis, the dermis and the hypodermis. In the epidermis, you have a thick layer of compressed dense epithelial cells and it acts as a barrier to the outside world. Also, you find in the basement layer of the epidermis the pigment cells called the melanocytes. And it is here where you can get complications with melanin formation like pigmentary disorders, things like melasma, things like freckles, things like even moles. So in the dermis, you will find a layer of connective tissue, and in the connective tissue, you will have things like the blood vessels, the nerves, the oil glands and the sweat glands. So you can develop problems like pimples, telangiectasia, rosacea in this layer. To quickly introduce the lasers, we usually categorize them into two groups, maintenance and treatment. Maintenance lasers are used for prevention and skin rejuvenation on the surface to give you a nice glow, smaller pores and brighter skin as a whole. While treatment lasers are usually more intense, higher powered and specifically targets different conditions. For skin maintenance purposes, laser toning, carbon peels, and intense pulse light (IPL) are some of our commonly used lasers. These lasers usually come with no to minimal downtime and are mostly painless. Laser toning is mostly done using the Q switch or even the PicoCare machines. It provides instant rejuvenation and improves skin clarity and texture by promoting subdermal collagen production. Each laser toning done brings about a cumulative effect improving skin problems such as large pores, age spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and even skin laxity. KPL or Korean pulse light, on the other hand, works by emitting high-intensity pulses of light which heats the skin and reduces redness, hyperpigmentation, broken capillaries and rosacea in the dermis. This treatment is best in restoring your skin's inner glow with no to minimal downtime. The carbon peel laser is beneficial for those with oily skin, clogged pores, dull skin or acne. The laser applied to the area coated with a thin layer of carbon lotion removes the dead skin buildup, regulates the oil control, and clears the pores. For targeted treatments, we have lasers such as fractional, PicoCare, and ultra-yellow to nip the problem in the bud. Fractional lasers break up the laser energy into thousands of tiny beams to treat a fraction of the skin in the area, which reduces downtime. Fractional lasers can be ablative or non-ablative. Both types correct signs of advanced damage to the skin. There is downtime of about 3 to 5 days. You can expect redness and some swelling post-treatment. Now let's move on to the next machine. PicoCare is a newer laser technology in the market which delivers laser bursts with short pulse duration. It is sometimes compared to a Q-switch laser, but more laser shots can be fired in the same amount of time. Now these are the different handpieces for different skin conditions, all using a variety of wavelengths to effectively treat different conditions. With the PicoCare laser, pigmentation gets broken down into smaller fragments for faster and easier clearance. As such, a fewer number of treatments is needed. Ultra-yellow laser is one of our latest acquisitions. With a special 577 nanometer wavelength, ultra-yellow laser is a huge hit with vascular-related issues like underlying vessels and rosacea, as well as improving the appearance of melasma and acne. Although laser treatments are generally considered non-invasive, not all are downtime-free. Laser resurfacing recovery time varies depending on the type and intensity of the laser used, as well as an individual's health and healing rate. Normally, it can be done without significant downtime, but stronger fractional lasers can require up to 5 days for recovery. Yes, different lasers and treatment modalities may be used in unison depending on your skin's requirements. In fact, certain treatments, when used together, actually produce a synergistic effect. This way, we can hopefully solve your problems more effectively. This is a very commonly asked question, and the answer is laser treatments when done at the correct intensity and at proper intervals should not thin the skin, as the skin normally regenerates quite quickly. While in some cases, a single laser treatment will take care of a patient's concerns, most non-ablative lasers call for a series of treatments to produce the most satisfying results. This can be considered a trade-off that comes with a no downtime treatment, but once the treatment series is complete, results are long-lasting. So that's all we have for today. Thanks for staying with me and I hope you found this useful. If you've got a question to ask, do drop a message in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. See you soon.